Okay, what's up, y'all? By the title of this video, you already know what the fuck going on. And you know I had to throw on type shit, cause you already know what kind of video it's gonna be. I got this one and I got the regular Gap one with the little box logo. After months, bro, after months, this shit came. I can already feel what's in there, bro. I'm low-key excited. I'm low-key excited, like really excited. I hope he didn't see none of my videos or nothing, bro. Like Kanye, you the GOAT. Let me debunk this. Let me see when I first ordered this shit. Let me go to my emails. Okay. February 16th. That's fucking crazy. What's today's date? Today is May 18th. It's cool though, as long as I got it. So let's hurry up and get into this shit, bro. Kanye, I'm sorry for anything you might have seen, anything like, you feel me? So, with the order, okay. With the order, I got 2 pairs of Yeezy Pods, cause they was already, what, like $20. I was like, fuck it, let me get them. And I got a pair of the sweats. And it feels like this is really like what I ordered, size 3. I guess, I don't know, because size 3 goes from like size 10 and up. Now we're at 11, so I was like, fuck it. Let me just grab these. Bro, this is my first reaction to the Yeezy Pods. Fuck kind of drawstring ass bag is this, bro? Bro, what the fuck is this? Bro, what the fuck? Yeezy Pods. What the fuck? Honestly, this feels nice though. This is a nice material. Like it kind of feels like the shirt. If y'all got any like Yeezy or like Calabasas shit, this feels like Calabasas shit. And this just feels like, I don't know, like the bottom of like foam runners or something. I wonder how it'll do after like the wear and tear. Like, it'll probably just be smooth. Nigga, my ass gonna be slipping around. I got 2 of these. I'ma just unbox everything and then I'ma try the shit on. I'm excited to see. I feel like the sweats might be too big. Can I be ordering everything like bigger? Okay. So these are the, what the fuck? So these are the bottom. They don't have no hems on it. Shit go perfect with the shirt. See, look, I be thinking. This is the drawstring. What the fuck? I think they call these like the wolf ones or something. I thought they would have had a logo on it at least. Oh, they do. These are the Vultures. Okay. They got a little. They got a little ass logo on it. I don't know, I fuck with these though, bro. I might take a fit picture tonight. Like, tonight. Oh God, bro. I just been waiting on it. And it's just like, I want to take a picture and get that shit out the way for real. But yeah, I feel like that's it, bro. They need to send me like an apology letter or something. So they smart, bro. They don't show the date that I actually bought this shit, bro. Cause they know they dead ass wrong for that. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with these. I feel like these are well made. They feel better than how they look in pictures, but in person, bro, these are pretty well made. Like this is pretty thick. Thicker than you would think. It's not like really like a sock type shit. And then these are just, I don't know, oversized. So it's like, if you fuck with oversized shit, you gonna fuck with these. Honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on. These are size 3. I think these are size 3. But they don't say no size on it. But I'm sure I got my size. See, I'm gonna try these on. I got shorts on, so we're gonna see how they look with shorts on. Bro, what the fuck? You really just slipped that motherfucker on. Kanye. What the fuck? Nah, he's kind of fire though. I see the vision. I see the vision, bro. And it's so light. I got shorts on, so this is how they look on feet. I feel like they cool. They cool for what they are. They cool for what they are, bro. Next we gonna try on the pants. I just feel like they're gonna be big as fuck, so I'm gonna just throw these on over these shorts. Yo. Alright, so they straight. I see the vision. Ooh. I don't. I do, but I don't. Now let's see. I like sagging this shit. So like, do I really gotta use the drawstring? See, like a nigga like me, I'm gonna pull loop de loop and like feel me, like swag that bit like this, bro. Yo, I really swagging this bit, bro. Nah, these hoes tough. I want to say thank you for this big ass mirror. But yeah, this is how they fit. Let me cut the light on. Hopefully y'all can see better. But yeah, you just sit down. Yeezy pods. Yeezy Vulture sweats. I feel like if I wear these, bro, I gotta wear these with the pods, bro. I have to. Honestly, I'm so happy with this. I feel like it's as comfortable as I thought it was gonna be. It's really as comfortable as I thought. And that's really all I give a fuck about, is being comfortable. One thing I don't like is how oversized they are. I feel like that's the new shit. That's the new trend. And like, I wear regular clothes that are baggy like that, where like they fall off my ass, but I don't know. Sweatpants, I'm not used to that. Sweatpants falling off my ass like that. But it is what it is. Good job, Kanye. This is a lot better than the last video. The last video, I bought that shit way after these. And it sent me the wrong fucking shit. Who does that? Who sends the wrong fucking shit? And I don't even want to talk about it. I don't want to get mad. I don't want to get mad all over again. But if I do wear it, I'll wear it with these pants. Bro, I don't even think you can see the logo. Oh, you can see it. Barely, bro. You could barely see that bitch. You might as well just cut that off, bro. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you got y'all shit, bro. I got my shit after what? After 3 months, I finally got my shit. So we happy. We happy. Thank you, Kanye. You're not a liar.